Hi peeps, welcome friends and fam. In this series video, 16 divided by 8 which equals 2 and 16 divided by 8 equals 2. Now we have this problem 2 divided by 2 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division 16 divided by 8 equals 2. So we have 2 divided by 16 divided by 8, and we can write this part as 2 over 16 divided by 8. So we must keep the first fraction 2 over 16 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 8 which equals 2 over 128. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.